This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to make a new Crinoline wedding bell. You need your glue gum, your needle and thread, your flower rose. You need your accessories. I'm going to use this accessory to design it. Your rubber band or comb, your Crinoline, and scissors. Crinoline, take your Crinoline and your needle and thread. Tie the mouth of the Crinoline. I've tied the mouth of the Crinoline. I fold the Crinoline into two, like this. Then we are going to run the stitches from here to the end. We are going to make 3 of this design. After you have run the stitches to the end, draw it. You draw it and tie the mouth of the Crinoline. Now, the next thing is that you stretch it out small. Then look at these 2 edges, the first edge and the second edge. You bring it together down. You cuff it together to create when you join the mouth, the 2 mouths together, you get this love fish shape. Then you join the 3 together. We have made 3. This is the second one, and this is the third one. Then we are joining the 3 together to form a Crinoline wedding bell style. We arrange it together. You tack it with your needle and thread. Joining the 3 together. This is 3. Now, I've joined it together. See what it gives you now. We are going to design it with these accessories. I know some of us, we have been seeing this Then I want to show you how to use it. As it is, you can coil it. That's it. Take your scissors. Look at this, is inside, this is outside. You draw it from outside, not from the line inside. Outside. It's outside, this inside. Then when you draw it like this, to give you this design. If you want the up to coil, the same thing. You can see it. You can see the coil. I've arranged it together. See the mount. Then you can use your gum machine, your wax candle to gum it. You can use your gum, your gum to gum it. But I'll first stack it with the Crinoline design. Then put your rose or your feather, anything you want to use to design it. And comb it. Then you put your comb or your rubber on it. This is the finishing touch of it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.